So this is a tour of the Equus, room 504 here in Oahu. So as you first come into the room, directly on your right is the bathroom area. So you have your sink, you have 2 glasses. You do have some bath gel, lotion, conditioning, and shampoo, as well as some soap and a makeup remover. You do have a full-size mirror. Over here is the rest of the bathroom. So you do have a shower. As well as your toilet and toilet paper. And your towels. On this side, behind me, you have your safe, you have some hangers, you have an iron, and you have your ironing board, as well as some space for you to put your luggage. This is the main room. This is a king-size bed. Something that's cool about this hotel that I like is that they try to be eco-friendly, so they do have this little card so you can turn the lights on and off. And the hotel keys are made out of wood, which I think are really cool. So as you come inside, you have a nightstand on both sides of the bed. You have a Keurig with some coffee mug and some coffees. You have Newman's Organic Special Decaf and Special Blend, as well as some Delight Coffee Creamer. You also have, looks like a refrigerator and a freezer as well. Across from the bed, you do have your little entertainment center where you do have your TV as well as some storage space. So it is really hard to open this up, but we got one door open, so it does have some extra space. Up here you do have, these are the room keys, which I think are really cool because they're made out of wood, so it's pretty neat. And then over here on this side, you do have another nightstand as well as your alarm clock. You have 2 chairs, and then you do have another little chest where you have your yellow pages, and then just some drawer space. There also is a little balcony area out here where you do have your outdoor table and outdoor chairs. And then this is the view from our room. There is a Red Lobster across the street. There is an ABC store down the street, as well as a Foodland and a Target and a Walmart. So a couple things that are really cool about this hotel that Emily and I both think are really neat, that if you're staying at this hotel on Sundays, they do give you tickets to go to Oceanfront Polo, which is really neat. We won't be here for that, but that is something that's really cool that they give you for free. Something else that we didn't know that we thought was really cool is they do have a bar downstairs, and they said if you're staying on property, you do get 2 complimentary drinks per day. So we're definitely gonna take advantage of that. They did say that every day it's a different drink or different drinks. So that's pretty cool. I guess our overall thought so far is that we're really happy with the room and the hotel.
I mean, the room's a little dated. It
Yeah.
definitely needs some TLC. The carpet is a little saggy and run down, but it's nice, it's fine.
I like that they're eco-friendly. I think the eco-friendly part is cool. I like that the room key is on wood. I like that they do that. The stirrup sign is on wood. I like that there's a little card, turn the lights on and off, almost like if you're off a cruise ship, you have to put your card in to turn the lights on in your room.
Yeah, it's a little dated, but the service is friendly, so it kind of makes up for the...
Yeah, Lincoln was amazing.
Yeah, the guy who checked us in was Lincoln, and he was really cool.
He's really cool. I like him. Probably gonna go hit up Foodland or Walmart and or Target now to try and get some food.
Yeah, and get some beverages, some snackies.
Yeah, and then see what else there is to do today. All right, and we'll see you guys later.